guys, I have not been making any videos for a while since I moved to another house and country. Now, today I have with me the F68 drone from the good guys at TomTop. Let's have a look at the box. At the front we have a picture of the drone in black. Here we have some precaution text, and we can also see that the drone comes in many variations: black, white, with or without a camera. On this side it reads age is 14+, 360, headless mode, HD camera, 2.4 GHz, LED lights. Moving to the other side, we have a picture of the controller with a cell phone running the drone app. Let's open the box. Okay, first thing we see is the app user manual in Chinese and English. Here we have the camera, which also houses the Wi-Fi transmitter and clips at the bottom of the drone. Let's take out the drone. This is the battery compartment. The battery is a 2000 mAh LiPo with a standard JST plug and should give plenty of flight time. This is the clip that you insert over the transmitter and secure the phone. Let's install the prop guards. They snap on pretty easy. And the last one. Opening the accessory bag, we find the legs of the drone, a small screwdriver, the USB charger, spare screws, propellers and nuts to secure the propellers. Installing the landing gear should be as simple as clipping the two sides onto the drone. Let's repeat the process for the other side. And the final piece of the puzzle is the camera. Let's figure out how to attach it. Just trying to be extra careful not to scratch or break anything off. And that should be it. The drone is now complete. I must say it looks rather nice. Moving on to the transmitter. Opening the battery compartment, we see that the controller operates with 4 AA batteries. The phone clip attaches to the controller over the antenna like this. Next we have the manual of the drone, which gives you all the basic information and how to use it. Again, both in Chinese and English. Okay, let's try powering up the drone. connecting the JST plugs. Now all we have to do is find the power button, and immediately we see that the navigation lights are backwards for some reason. I guess that's it for this unboxing video. See you all soon.